Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, power passenger seat, leather shift knob, overhead console, driver vanity mirror,